going on? How's everyone doing?
Shout out to Colin. Everybody else who's cool with Colin.
Chucky! I didn't say.
Eat your popcorn and your Coca-Cola and relax.
Anyway, tell Colin I'm ready.
What's going on? This is Colin. How's everybody doing? I hope you guys are having a great day so far. I have got a sovereign citizen in front of Judge Wolfe. Little spoiler, not spoiler alert, but the first, minute and a half, 2 minutes of this hearing, they were on mute, so I cut that part out. Still interesting. This guy has a dismissal recommended by the prosecutor because of a witness problem. I'm guessing that means the witnesses aren't showing up. I don't know. But still a sovereign citizen, still enjoyable. Before I hit that play button, you know what to do. Hit the like and subscribe. Do your jump kick backflips. Let's go.
The witness problem, the state has indicated that they may be wanting to dismiss the case against Matthew Aldridge. But Matthew Aldridge has not appeared in this court officially. So what I want you to understand is this: you can play this game with trying to say that you are the attorney of fact or whatever. And if you persist in doing so, the only choice I have is to issue a failure to appear warrant for Matthew Aldridge. And if you, under oath, tell me today that you are in fact Matthew Aldridge, then we can take steps to try to resolve this matter. So it just boils down to, if you want to stand on your procedures, then what I'm going to do is, and you refuse to identify yourself as Matthew Aldridge, then I have no choice but to issue a warrant for failure to appear against Matthew Aldridge. And I'll have you step back with the officers and they'll try to identify whether or not you are or are not. You cannot defeat the ends of justice or the justice system by simply trying to say you're not who you say you are. So,
may I speak?
yes, sir. Put that microphone up so we can make sure that.
All right, that's a great quote. You cannot defeat the arms of justice by saying you're not who you say you are. Sovereign citizens everywhere, take note. That's important. Realize that. It's not going to work. Some of your soft-set arguments may kind of make sense to somebody back in the 1800s. Not anymore.
There you go.
By appearing in attorney in fact, I am protecting my Fourth Amendment right.
Your Fourth Amendment right.
Yes.
What right under the Fourth Amendment are you asserting?
I have the right to my own private property, and I do not have to give my name. It's basically the Fifth Amendment too. You're establishing evidence against yourself.
And I've explained to you what's the process is going to be today, correct?
I am aware. I am Matthew Aldridge, as described in the criminal complaints I've set out.
Hold on just a second. Raise your right hand and let the clerk place you under oath.
Okay.
You solemnly swear or give yourself
I do.
All right. Now, are you Matthew Aldridge, the defendant in this case?
I am Matthew Aldridge, as described in the criminal complaint that I sent registered mail on Thursday against the witness.
I'm not sure that we have received anything.
Yes, the witness.
We haven't received anything. What exactly were you saying?
It's registered mail. I have my tracking number. It's at home. It is registered mail. It went out Thursday from.
So you're using the government entity or a semi-government entity of the post office registered mail to send something to this court?
Well, every time I've stated something on the record in the clerk's office, you've always asked, I haven't seen nothing in the mail. And so I figured that's where you'd be looking for it.
All right. Well, you have identified yourself as Matthew Aldridge, the defendant in this case. And therefore, General Willoughby had indicated that he was going to dismiss this case based upon a witness issue that the complaining witness or the state's main witness was someone who is no longer with the law enforcement here in this area and was not willing to return based on issues that had happened. Is that still the state's position? All right.
Yes, Judge.
All right. All right. I started speaking too soon. This is a really quick one. This guy tried to talk himself out of a dismissal. I mean, I'm sorry. Like, I understand, you want to be a sovereign citizen. Do your thing. Do your thing. The court's going to shut you down. It entertains us. Do your thing all day long. But when they say, if you just tell us this is your name, we will dismiss it, and you still fight them on it, come on, man. Come on. Your case is being dismissed because the officer no longer works, and he said, screw y'all, I'm going home. Taking my ball and going home. That's what the officer did. No idea why. Didn't say his name, which is good because I don't want that on YouTube. But who knows what happened with the officer. But he's not coming in. Case dismissed. Go home. Just go home. Fight another day. All right. Again, super quick one. You guys have a great day. Until next time. Bye.
All right. Then Matthew Aldridge, now that you have identified yourself correctly as the defendant in this case, then the state is moving to dismiss the charges against you because of a witness problem. Case is dismissed. You are free to go.
Thank you, sir.
All right. Next case on the docket.